smell the honey? This is the real deal. Don't cry, okay? Wait, don't touch it too. Smell? You smell it? Even the smell, yeah? Even the smell. It's fun, yeah? Okay, here's the guy. Even smell? Would you like to smell, honey? Oh, I touched my nose. Ooh. No. You smell the, sorry, you smell? Actually, it's very spicy, right? And if you guys touch the chili, and you touch the seed, you touch your face, touch your eye, if you're gonna cry, not too loud. Okay? Hold it. Make sure wash your hand well. Holy basil, not the leaf, the whole stem like this. Boy, look at this, honey. Look, you see that? To pick it anywhere, you find them anywhere. Yeah, sawtooth coriander. We use this one for tom yum.
How many?
Tom yum gung and tom yum gung. Oh. Yeah, you yank it like that. Yeah.
Thank you.
You see right behind you, those one, right behind you. See over there. We're gonna use this eggplant for red or green curry. Yeah. Oh, right there. See right there, underneath that one. See that eggplant? Yes. Nice.
This one.
Okay. Yeah.
我找到了。
Okay. Thai basil, holy basil, coriander. Yeah.
要几热呀？我现在2颗肉。
We're done. We're gonna go back to the kitchen now.